Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I have the glossy box for the month of October. And wow, look at this box. I never do a feature of the box, but this box gets a feature today. Glossy box. You outdid everybody with the boxes this month. For box, they get 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. But let's see what's inside. Does that get a 10 out of 10? If you guys want to see what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so I am dying to see what I got in this box. But before I show you guys what I got in my October glossy box, if you are not a part of my YouTube family, I would say consider subscribing to this channel. We talk about all things beauty related on my channel. I absolutely love makeup, hence the name, Aisha Loves Makeup. This is mostly a makeup subscription box channel. So if you love seeing unboxings monthly of all of the new subscription boxes that are out, then this is definitely the channel for you. But I also do lots of makeup videos, video hauls, anything makeup related. That's what you're going to see on this channel. If that's something you're interested in, then I would say consider subscribing to my channel. Be a part of my family. And if you do, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video. And give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. It shows your love and support for the channel. And I really, truly appreciate everyone who's been subscribing and showing your love and support. So, without further ado, let's see what I got in the box. Alrighty, so I definitely have to keep this box because so I feel like the Birchbox that I just recently did, they gave a cool little box. Like it looks like a jewelry box. You can pull the drawer out, which was different. And this one is definitely different as well. So I may keep this box as well. So let's see. So I definitely, before I previously had like a YouTube channel, I used to watch everyone's videos from all the makeup subscription boxes, but now I try not to watch them because then it spoils what I'm going to be getting in my box. And I like to be like a little surprised, so I really don't open them until I film. So I keep all my boxes here, and it's killing me to see what I got, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait and give you guys a first impression all on camera. So, if you're new to knowing about Glossybox, this is a $21 a month subscription box. This is a UK brand subscription. So you normally get a lot of things that you normally don't get if you live in the United States. I do live in the United States, so I like having at least 1 or 2 UK subscription boxes because I like to get stuff from all over. So you get a lot of different types of makeup, but a lot of the stuff is brands that you already know because obviously United States we sell stuff from all over, but it's all mostly, well, it is all like UK brands. Alrighty, so I love the presentation. They always have cool boxes and cool presentation. I gotta give it to them. They got the ribbon matching with the box, like they put some effort into that. So let's see. So I love the card. Let's see if they have prices. They have prices. Go Glossybox. I got prices and it tells you what you got. I'm not going to look because I actually saw a little bit on a monitor, but I'm not going to thoroughly look because then that spoils your surprise. So if you don't want to know what you have in your box, do not look at the card because that'll definitely ruin it. Alrighty, so let's see here. Ooh. Yes, I am so happy. I see a lot of stuff that I'm actually excited about. So I got a Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I actually have this already because in BoxyCharm they gave us this, and they gave us the same one but with like a coconut smell to it. I actually really like this powder, and it's like a white powder. You wouldn't think it would like look good on your skin tone, especially if you're like a more darker skin tone like me, because it's like a literally an all white translucent powder, but it doesn't look like white ashy under the eyes. So I actually love this powder. I'm probably going to give this away in a future giveaway because I still have two. I have one from the, like I said, one from the BoxyCharm and the other one, which is the same exact color, but it has a coconut smell. I think they called it like extraordinary, like vacation or something like that, because it has like that coconut smell. So I'm going to give this away, and I hope someone gets to enjoy it as much as I do. But very happy for this because I'm happy to share it with somebody else. So this is what the box looks like. And then this is what the powder looks like. And I love the bow that they have on the powder. So that's extraordinary translucent powder. Alrighty, so that, let's see. Well, the one I have is bigger, so this is definitely not the full size. So it says Deluxe Mini. That would have been nice for travel. Let's see here. The Deluxe Travel, it doesn't have... Oh, Deluxe Travel is $18.98. The full size is $22. I'm going to start telling you guys a little bit about each product that I unbox. Normally, I just show you guys what I get, but some people may actually be interested in the product, so I'll try to quickly just tell you guys a little synapse of what is in the box. If you guys don't like that, you can just tell me in the comments below, and then I guess I won't, but some people actually want to know about the product, so I'll just give you a quick little detail. It says, finish off your makeup masterpiece with this finely milled setting powder, ultra blendable and lightweight. Buff effortlessly onto your skin without any cakiness or creakiness for long-lasting wear, which is very true. It doesn't look cakey or dusty, so I love this. And it's at a skincare item, so we're off to a good start. The next thing I got is not skincare. This is a lipstick for Kat Von D in the color Lovecraft. This is a beautiful pinky neutral. I do not think this color is going to look good on my skin tone. I would have loved to try a Kat Von D lipstick because I don't have any Kat Von D lipsticks, but this color is going to be too pale for me. So I'm going to give this away in a giveaway, but still happy that it's not a skincare item, and I'm happy that I can give it to somebody who, you know, will appreciate it. As I've been telling you guys, I am going to be doing a giveaway when I finally hit 500 subscribers, and then another giveaway when I hit 1,000. So those are my two milestones that I'm trying to achieve here. I am still very much so new on YouTube. I started during quarantine. I was bored, and I always wanted to have a channel, and I always procrastinated, and I had all the time in the world to start my channel during while we were all quarantining. So I said, hey, why not? Rather now than never. And ever since I hit the ground running, I've been filming ever since. When quarantine happened, I shooted a video practically every single day. And me getting all my boxes kept me very busy. And I mean, I never looked back. I'm really happy. I've come a long way since the whole quarantine stuff happened in March. I mean, I think I have 442 subscribers now, which to me, it means the world, because when I started back in March, I was like,
no one's ever going to subscribe to me. No one's going to care. No one's going to like my channel.
It's nerve-wracking starting something and not knowing if it's going to pan out and if it's going to do well. But I mean, I met the most amazing subscribers. Obviously, I haven't met any of you guys, not meeting anybody during quarantine, but like I would say I found the most amazing subscribers. Some of you guys I'm telling you, like, you guys make my day. Like, you know, all the positive energy, the positive comments. I have some subscribers who literally message me on every single video telling me, good job, thanks for sharing, keep up the good work. Like, it's because of you guys why I can continue doing this. Because I'm not going to lie, it has been a little bit of a struggle because this was easy to do when I wasn't working, but I do have a full-time job. So I am sometimes a little bit struggling with filming. Like, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I do 2 videos a day. So right after this, I'm going to be filming my October Birchbox box. But like, I literally film 2 videos a day because like during the week it's hectic. Like, I'm working full time. I work 5 days a week, and then when I come home, sometimes I'm tired, and I only film after work. Today I worked during the day and I'm filming now, or else I'll film on my day off. But sometimes when I'm done with work, just like everybody else, you're tired. You don't want to do anything. You just want to lay in bed and relax. And I definitely miss that. I haven't done that I can't remember since March, since I had started my channel. But I don't care because I'm doing this for you guys. I always wanted to do this, and I don't want to ever let you guys down. So I'm going to continue to pump out videos for you guys. But that's why sometimes you guys see me with the same outfits on, because literally right after one video, I'll shoot another video. Sometimes I do 3 in one day because I always want you guys to have content. I have a lot of hauls that I want to show you guys as well. I have another Ulta haul, and I have I bought like almost half of the Glam Light collection that I want to show you guys. I have it all sitting here, and other subscription boxes I have to show. So I'm trying to do them all in a timely manner for you guys. So thank you guys all for your patience, because I know I've been away for like the past 2 days, but I never let it get far. I'm like, all right, it's been 2 days. I gotta film. Aisha, snap out of it. Alrighty. So I'm back. All right. So that was just a little something that I just had to get off my chest. But back to the video. I always want to try stuff from Generation Clay. They say this stuff is really, 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 really good. This is an ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. I love masks. So this is what it looks like. And this is a 50 ml, so this is a pretty big size. So like I said, like, just because it's a UK subscription box does not mean you're going to get stuff that you don't know, because we all know about Generation Clay, we all know about Ciate London, and we all know about Kat Von D. Alrighty, so let's learn about the Generation Clay mask, because I've never tried it, but was very interested in it. So it says, packed with superfruit, plum, desert lime, bilberry, and aloe vera. This gentle version of skin exfoliating alpha hydric acid rejuvenates dull, tired skin while lightening dark circles and pigmentation. That seemed very interested in this. This retails for the deluxe size is $14.44 and the full size is $21.50. As for the Kbd Beauty Lipstick, it says this vegan and cruelty-free lipstick will make you feel bold and stunning, just like the studded packaging. Its creamy, cushy, highly pigmented formula will give your lips the treatment they deserve. Somebody else will try that out and let me know how they like it. Alrighty, so I got a mask. This is the Ona New York Spotlight Radiant Glow Gel Mask. I love mask. So this looks like this mask comes in 2 parts from the picture from the back. As you can see from right here, it looks like there's a top and a bottom. And this is what the front of the mask packaging looks like. It says cruelty-free and vegan-free, which is always a great plus. Let's read about this mask. It says it's formulated with plant ingredients native to Russia and Northeast Asia. So as I was saying, like, you know, different types of brands not from the United States. It says this refining hydro mask will even out complexion, rid of impurities, and restore a youthful glow. It's comfortable, fit, and non-slip quality makes it perfect for anyone on the move. Very interesting. So can't wait to try that. I have a whole box of masks. I really got to start using them more often, but I definitely will use that. The next thing I got is from Aura Earth Harbor. It's a superfood serum. It says it has sea green and cannabis sativa hemp in it. So I've been noticing a lot of products nowadays have cannabis sativa hemp in it. That's like definitely like the new in thing. By the way, the mask retails for $9. This retails for $32, and this is a full size. One thing I like about Glossybox is I feel like they always have at least something full size. This was a full size item. And then everything else, for the most part, it seems like more deluxe size and not like baby samples. Birchbox, sometimes the stuff is like itty bitty, but and they rarely get full size. But lately they've been better with like their deluxe sizes being like deluxe sizes. So let's read about this. I'm curious about this. It says full of seagrass, cannabis sativa hemp, and grapeseed oil. This therapeutic serum will energize and soothe the skin while inducing dewy luminous. Say goodbye to redness, dullness, and irritation. I'm definitely excited to try this item out. So I'll let you guys know what I think about it. So let's see in the box what we got as like overview. We got this beautiful superfood cannabis sativa hemp oil serum. We got a Ciate. I never know if I'm saying this right. I think it's Ciate London. Loose translucent powder, which I already have 2, so I'm going to give this away. So that's that. We have the Generation Clay mask, which I'm so excited to try, and a Kat Von D lipstick. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 items. Is that everything? Yep, 4 items. I just looked on the actual card and it's 4 items. So 4 items for $21. Not too shabby. I definitely got my money's worth, and I'm actually really happy about this box. It's a bummer that this lipstick's too light for me. Normally, sometimes I try to make it work, but this is definitely not going to work for me. So, I will definitely give this away in my next giveaway. So, let's see who'll be the lucky winner for that. So, with that being said, this is the ending of my video. If you haven't already and you're new, subscribe, show your girl some love, or if you don't want to subscribe, that's fine. You can just give me a thumbs up to show your support, and that's it. I'll see you guys all in my next unboxing. Love and appreciate you guys to the best. You guys are the best. Bye.